Are you looking for the best power saws in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best power saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DeWalt 12-inch Double-Bevel Sliding Compound DW780. The DeWalt 12-inch Double-Bevel Sliding Compound DW780 is a prime choice for experienced woodworkers, professionals, and seasoned DIYers with ambitious project goals. Our tester recommends it for enthusiasts who need accurate cuts and efficiency in their projects. However, its weight and large size may be prohibitive for those without a dedicated workspace or who only occasionally need angled cuts. It excels in cutting power, speed, and precision, earning near-perfect scores in our miter tests and outperforming most miter saws in our test group. It handled repeated 4x4 cuts effortlessly and sliced through a 2-inch aluminum angle bracket like a hot knife through butter, according to lead tester Austin Palmer. It led the pack in precision across bevel, miter, and cross-cut angles, arriving well-calibrated and maintaining alignment throughout testing. Its ease of use, simple calibration, and blade-changing process enhance its appeal. Get this if you prioritize performance over minor drawbacks. Its dust collection system, while above average, isn't the best, with curtains occasionally getting sucked in. The saw's cut capacity also fell short of a complete 45-degree bevel cut through a 4x4, which may matter depending on your needs. If you're not concerned about extra sawdust cleanup and have the space for its size and weight, this saw's exceptional power and accuracy make it a worthwhile investment. Up next in the 4th place is the Skil 15280-01. The Skil 15280-01 is recommended for many users, from professionals to beginner home DIYers. Its balance of features, performance, and affordability makes it ideal for anyone needing a reliable circular saw for various cutting tasks. While beginner-friendly, experienced craftspeople will also appreciate its capabilities, unless they require the utmost speed and precision from their tools. The Skil 15280-01 stands out for its well-rounded performance and incredible value, competing with saws costing 2, 3, or 4 times as much. Weighing 8.1 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, with helpful features like a 52 degrees max bevel angle, marked at 22.5 degrees and stopping at 45 degrees, a foot with 4 sight notches, and a laser sight line for precision. It excelled in our tests, particularly in cross cuts. I was blown away watching the Skil saw slice through a 12x6 beam with barely any resistance, clocking one of the fastest times we recorded, said our reviewer. It's incredible how much power Skil packed into such a compact tool, easily handling sheet metal and steel pipe. This is best for most people seeking a powerful, affordable circular saw, but it has minor drawbacks. Adjusting blade depth and bevel angle is easy, but the measurement notches lack contrast, making them hard to see without adequate lighting. While it scored above average for cutting sheet metal and steel pipe, those who frequently cut metal may prefer a specialized saw. Other options exist if you're after the absolute best performance and are willing to pay a premium. However, the Skil 15280-01's combination of power, precision, and value makes it an excellent purchase for most users. The 3rd product on our list is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2732-20. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2732-20 is ideal for woodworkers who prioritize portability and free range of motion, especially those working in spaces where cords hinder workflow or outlets are scarce. It's a great fit for users who value efficiency and can manage with a backup battery to maintain seamless cutting on projects. This battery-powered circular saw enhances workflow with cord-free operation, eliminating the need for outlets or extension cords. It features visible sight lines that are pretty much spot on for accuracy, per our lead tester, and one of the easiest blade change processes in its class. Despite being cordless, it completed all cutting tests with decent ease of use features for clean, precise work. If portability is a priority, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel is a strong choice, offering efficient, cord-free operation. However, its power is average for a cordless saw, with wood and metal cutting scores that don't match top corded models. If you need robust power for heavy-duty cuts, a corded saw might be better. But this model exceeds expectations for a battery-powered option. Second on our list is the DeWalt 20V Max 7/1/4" single bevel sliding compound DCS 361B. The DeWalt 20V Max 7/1/4" single bevel sliding compound DCS 361B is ideal for those needing portability for angled cuts across various job sites, particularly for smaller home DIY projects or traveling trim work. Its lightweight design, weighing less than half as much as traditional models, and compact size make it perfect for users with limited shop space or frequently transporting tools. This cordless miter saw stands out for its efficient dust collection system, ease of adjustments, operation, and blade changes. I was genuinely impressed by the DeWalt DCS 361B's pinpoint accuracy, cutting with precision that rivaled the best in our review, said one tester. For a battery-powered saw, its blend of portability and performance makes it a game-changer for my mobile job sites. If you prioritize portability and don't need to cut hefty materials, the DeWalt DCS 361B is a strong choice. However, it lacks a blade depth lock, complicating dado cuts, and its power and cut capacity are limited compared to traditional miter saws due to its battery-powered, smaller design. Opt for a standard miter saw if you frequently power through multiple cuts on bulky lumber. Finally, the top product on our list is the Skil 10-inch Dual-Bevel sliding compound MS16305. The Skil 10-inch Dual-Bevel sliding compound MS16305 is perfect for budget-savvy woodworkers with enough experience to value precise, quality cuts, but who don't need a miter saw for daily use. It's an excellent choice for those tackling most home woodworking projects who can tolerate extra cleanup due to its poor dust collection. This affordable miter saw delivers remarkable cutting capabilities, with our tester noting it sailed reasonably through all the 4x4 and aluminum power tests I threw at it. Fully adjustable and easy to calibrate, it offers accuracy that competes with pricier models and above-average performance in cut capacity, speed, and precision, making it a standout for its price point. This is a great budget buy if you prioritize performance and don't mind sweeping up sawdust, as it scored poorly in dust collection, producing one of the highest volumes of sawdust in testing. If a clean workspace is critical, consider an alternative. Otherwise, its power, accuracy, and bargain price make it a top choice for cost-conscious woodworkers. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.